Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So for VeChain, we still have to expect, even though it is getting very unlikely, we still at the moment have to expect lower lows. Yeah, but I'm telling you, it's getting increasingly less likely, which is good. Yeah, because VeChain, the chart is a bit of a mess. It has pretty much just been moving sideways here. 1 second, let me just hide the indicators. It's pretty much just been moving sideways here, and we've been waiting, or at least expecting the risk of another lower low. Yeah, I mean, we need to understand that VeChain did complete all the requirements of this higher level correction. Yeah, it was even more bearish than I expected back in November when I formulated this target area all the way down to the 88.7% fib level at 3.3 cents. So that has been on the chart for months. And we eventually even broke below that, and that is a bearish sign for VeChain. Therefore, I'm also telling you, despite the move that we currently see to the upside, really bullish we can only become about VeChain as soon as it gets back above the 88.7% fib level. That is sort of the absolute minimum this coin needs to do to get out of the danger zone. Because every coin or every asset in general that you can find below the 88.7% fib level is at high risk. And I would argue that is one of the reasons, well, it fell below that level, and that is one of the reasons why it has been moving sideways for so long and has not had even a chance to recover, and is now one of the latest coins that's finally picking up, even after ADA. Sorry, ADA joke, but you know that I like ADA. Yeah, we have now two possibilities here, and here it is still less clear compared to other coins. So we have some coins that are indeed breaking out at the moment. We have some coins that indeed have invalidated some bearish patterns. Now, VeChain hasn't strictly done that. So we can still see all of this here, what we're doing here, as just a wave 4, where, you know, ideally below this level of 2.67 cents, you are reversing down and make a lower low below 2 cents. So that will be key resistance level here. The 2.67, 2.68 cent level is a key breakout point, a key resistance level. Actually, I need to move that dotted line a little bit higher. And if we get above that level, then we have a realistic chance to get to the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level at 3.3 cents. So this is the bearish wave count here, where we would expect one more low. It wouldn't be good for VeChain, I can tell you that as well. It wouldn't be good. The bullish wave count I show you as well. So the bullish one would assume that, yeah, this was an impulse down, but we can count this as the wave 3. This was the 4. This was the 5. Same wave count as on some other coins. The low was in here. The overall correction is finished. We're not going to see lower lows. That is the assumption of the bullish wave count. Will get much more likely above 2.67 cents. Will get probably primary expectation above the 88.7% fib level, okay? We are currently here at a key breakout point, and we could count it if we want to see it bullish, and the potential exists. What I'm telling you is there are some other coins that look much more bullish at the moment, okay? So here we still need to be a bit careful, but the potential exists. That this was a 1, this was a 2, we now need to move up in a 3, come down in a 4, move up in a 5. Target for the wave 3 we can calculate as well. That's always the ideal level, is always the 1.618 extension. The more the better in a wave 3. And that would be 3.1 cents. So that wave 3 should take us just below the 88.7% fib level. However, that wave 5 then, and that would be the textbook target, should take us to 3.7 cents. We'll see if we in the end get there, but this could be the serious move that will take us here above the wave 1 high. That needs to be the next target for the bulls. Yeah, this wave 1 high at 2.67 cents. Then we can have a bit of a rally all the way up to 3.1 cent, okay? And then we can take it from there. So at the moment, still high risk of a lower low, but in line with the other crypto market, we can count this bullish. For that bullishness, we need to hold the basically the 2 cent level, that wave 2 low. And no, it's not just the 2 cent level, it is, well, 2.08 cent, okay? 2.08 cent, that needs to hold. And until we get below that, we can actually track higher levels here, yeah, and we can sort of follow this bullish wave count for now. Next resistance is at 2.6 2.67 cent level. We need to break above that. We currently don't see a lot of volume. Yeah, so that needs to pick up. Bit weak, that volume, for a sustainable breakout. That's another reason why we need to be here. We need to act here very cautiously, and we need to move above that 88.7% fib level. But what you can see here, and that is nice, you can see again how the Elliott waves and traditional patterns work together, because this could really become, you can see that as it's indicated here, an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, so very nice one. Where we'll go up in a wave 3, we bounce off, move down in a 4, and move up, and then you have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. And that's a reversal with a neckline of the 88.7% fib level, can push us higher then. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update about VeChain. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.